Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Oracle Love Light. I am excited about spring, as you can see my spring decor. So today I wanted to come on here because I have 3 amazing easy breakfasts. I find that when I get in a routine, sometimes I like to eat the same kind of foods, like similar foods. I might switch like 1 or 2 things up. So here is just a quick suggestion for you, and I hope you enjoy. The first breakfast is going to be, well, actually, first let's get into this bread. I love this protein bread. It's so good. It's only 4 net carbs for a slice. So I really enjoy that because I only eat 1 slice. And what I try to do on keto, you guys, I try to just do 1 slice of bread a day. Keto bread, of course, but just 1 slice. I don't try to do it twice because normally I only eat 2 meals a day. So what I do, I try to make one of them a piece of bread. This week, that's what I've been doing. Anyway, let's get on into this video. So first up, I am going to be making some herbal shrimp with avocado, a little bit of alfalfa, and I am going to toast the bread, and I'm gonna put like I said, avocado, alfalfa, and some of this herbal shrimp on there. This was so good. Believe it or not, this 1 piece of bread is so filling, and it lasts me all the way until lunchtime. I mean, you can have a snack in the in-between if you want, but as long as you're drinking water, you kind of stay full. So anyway, let's get on into it.
I'm drowning, vultures are circling me around it. I need to fight, I know it's just so hard to let it go. Shine a light I can see, something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid. If I let go of this rage, am I completely betrayed? Something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid. If I let go of this rage, am I completely betrayed? My heart, my love, my life, the price. It's hard to find.
All right, so next up is going to be the same kind of open face toast, just is going to be a little bit different. The difference is I am going to use pepper jack cheese instead of the avocado. So still going to cook the egg the same and things like that. However, with this one, I'm going to let the egg be a little bit more runny because I found that I really like the runny egg. I never thought I would be that person that likes their egg runny, but I am that person. I enjoy the runny eggs so much. So here is the second breakfast. And again, for me, I find that being in a routine is like easier for me. Like this is kind of habituary now, so I love eating this breakfast. Let's get into it. All right, so this is breakfast number 3, which is going to be the same kind of breakfast as the last 2. The difference is I use 1 tablespoon of cream cheese on top of the toasted protein bread. I am going to season with some minced onion, some red pepper, and a little bit of Italian seasoning, and then I'm going to place the bacon on top and put my egg on top. So I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, you guys, this was a quick video, but I just wanted to give you kind of an idea of like my routine breakfast. This is helping me lose weight on keto. This is so easy to make. Oh my gosh, it's so easy. You just need the basics. If you have the basics, you can make yourself like a gourmet breakfast. Anyway, you guys, I thank you guys for sharing this space with me. I thank you for joining me. And as always, I thank you for watching.